Kaligtasan, sa kanya ka siya inasa. Yan ang buhay na gangsta. Yan ang buhay na gangsta. Pumasok sa 10 years old, pumasok ng gang. This is Roy. Roy. Hi. Roy is headmaster of in Cavite.
Okay, okay.
And this Marvin. Marvin play drums, but Marvin play her dick.
His
Dick.
This is my dick. I'm playing with my dick.
Sometimes Marvin go to school and
This is my dick.
and her friends crying. He said, puro sila ligo to.
Her friends.
Babakala. His friends. Marvin is beautiful boy and I see Marvin every day in my CR. Marvin play cockroach and eat some worm. And Roy is
Ay, Shishua is winning.
How do this is the grass. The grass is over there. See his face.
Ay, Shishua din to, no?
See. Look his face. His face like a monster. He did somebody else. He did somebody. Look at my back.
What?
But Tama na. Kami nataan nasi.
Hey.
Look her balls.
His
Her
balls are so, expanded.
Makapal. Sasayaw ako.
Ako mag ten wow wow ten alam ko na
Ikaw ay natutuin.
tulungan niyo si Pan lalaman may si Pan.
Meron tayo mo?
Hindi. Nalagay ito sa iyo.
Magic. This the two drumstick and the drumstick will
Vanish. Vanish? Proclaim.
Invisible. Pag invisible nawawala, di ba? Invisible. And the two drumstick will disappear. Yeah. And
Proclaim.
fuck you.
And I will proclaim. Sun lang. And I will proclaim it. Sa mga hindi nakakalam ng lugar na to, nasa Presi kami. Nag-dribble. Palengke tour.
Ay,
Ito, kanina pa nakatingin sa amin.
Tracy Marquez.
Ayan. Yan. That one. Yan, yeah.
Kinakamusta ko nga pala.
Palengke. Ay, eto pala, mas malaki. Sorry, Ayan, family, lunsod ng Tracy Marquez City.
May unggoy po sa 13. Kinakamusta ko nga pala yung mga friends ko dyan. Si Kevin,
Saan? Dito sa loob?
Hindi, yung mga friends ko.
Sino pa sila? Imon? Tsaka si Kaloy.
Si Kaloy. Kaloy, I miss you. You are happy somebody.
What the hell? Okay. Cut.